Not spoon cat. Let's use the pan cat. He's the best and then beat our factor away. Not this again. No. Well, I guess I can just pay the coins instead. Oh, 40. Yep, that's okay. My parents will allow me to do this. Okay. What is the torpedo? Good, this is the best win ever. Okay, oh, you want to see that movie cat? You want to see him dance? That's so funny. That's my favorite cat. Look at that cat. Lots of cats are doing it. My money was worth it. It was worth it. That was actually, there's a milk cat waiting to be okay, whatever. There's a milk cat. What? The rare cat? Oh, upgrade. I'm not gonna purchase. Let's see, the new special. The zombie cat. I'm gonna tell my parents if I can buy this zombie cat, because anyways, I want to buy it. It's so beautiful. I don't know. Papa has my dad. Oh, and I forgot. I'm gonna tell my dad. Fish cat, you make fire. Great. Yeah, I always have to upgrade my cats. Oh, something up over there. Let's go to special cats and let's see what's here. Let's go to fish. Let's go to special cats. Go back. No, fish cat is up there. Oh, I forgot it's right there. Okay, so the useless one is, well, Rose cat. I have to keep upgrading him until I reach lots of levels. So Rose cat is bye-bye. So let's just continue with South Africa. But when I run out, guys, I'm gonna make this video even longer. So I'm just gonna wait until I get lots. I think okay, since there's a snake, I'm gonna use Angry Mom. I'm gonna wait until I get 800. For special mimic card. Whoops. Mimic card, Mama. Come on, good Mama. You can do this. Wow, this is come on, guys. You can give me a thumbs up and download this game until it's sold out. No more battle packs for this game. And lizard cat anyway. fish from Japan. I know what. Nope, not in this video. I did it without even wasting a single quarter. That's super good. Let's see them. But first I have to tell one of my dad because he owns this phone. And anyway, I'm gonna tell my dad if or maybe I can tell my dad if I can. I'll just tell my dad to buy zombie cat. And let's just go to. Let's just keep doing this. Channel. Once again, check out my cousin's channel. If you don't, you can look forever and show me. Check out my cousin's channel. Sina and Ria's Password. Okay, guys, if you want to know the name. They're fat and ugly. Helping them die. Look, it's really good right now. Me waiting until I get them. But it's okay because I whatever. I'm gonna escape the battle. Since my dad dad doesn't play it anymore. My dad don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. Yes, finally I got Zombie Cat. So Zombie Cat's right over there. I'm gonna put Zombie Cat there. I'm gonna put it on Fat Oldie Mama because if Fat Oldie Mama doesn't do anything anyways. Okay, let's see what's zombie. I wasted some energy, but it was worth it. Whatever. Okay, let's just continue. Fat Oldie Mama's gone now, so that's the how many zombie cats can kill them? I don't know. Wow, zombie cat is very like a Walking Dead. Oh no, guys. Oh no, the phone is